Knowing the process of wood gasification for motor vehicles, let's determine the possibility of replacing fuel. It is known that approximately 3 kilograms of wood for a car gas generator can replace the consumption of 1 liter of gasoline. It is necessary to find out the amount of fuel produced. We can use statistics from the internet. From the statistics we have found, we need to transform the values into more convenient and indicative quantities. For the calculation, we will take the production of wood for biofuel of 4,400 kilograms per year. This value is accepted, since productivity depends on soil fertility, precipitation, plant varieties for different climatic zones. The result is expressed in hectares, which can be converted to square kilometers. The result can be compared with the area of the planet Earth, the area of agricultural land and the area of arable land. To obtain fuel, there is no need to use land that is used to grow food. Not all forest lands are nature reserves. Forests provide people with building material, but forest lands can also be used effectively to grow fuel. Also, some lands are not used effectively. And growing wood as a solid biofuel will give more economic and environmental benefits.